This item is from the competitors. See, diameter is different. Compare our one. This one is looks very cheap and low end. See, they use the wood or hard. It's very cheap wood. You can see the quality is very bad. Do not have any deluxe feel. And also here it's broken with grooves. It's poison means. See our one, high quality. Even the diameter is different. See, very thick. You can feel the difference. See here, very high quality one, very thick, very heavy. This one very light and very bad quality. See, and different colors. See, it's not the same type of wood. Grooves, poison. See, you can see the difference. High quality model, very cheap model. From the picture you cannot see the difference, but when you hold it on hand you can feel the difference. See, it's a junk for me.